Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do finally have some spoilers for the January Ipsy GlamBag Plus box. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit your subscribe button and turn your bell on. That way you're notified every spoiler I upload. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video. For some mature skin hacks. So congratulations, Priscilla Morales. I think I said that right. If I didn't, I do apologize. Anyways, Priscilla says, ooh, could it be I'm first? I don't use many creams. Even though I should, I'm 42 and the mom to 6. Well, Priscilla, honey, I commend you on that, honey. Because I got 2 they're a handful. And I got a cat in the back with a lid to a bottle in the bathtub. So I'm sorry about the background noise. You know, as long as you're on my channel, you know, there's always background noise. But Priscilla, I really appreciate that, honey. I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and dive into this madness. Again, this is for the January Ipsy GlamBag Plus box. So the first thing is the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in the shade Warm Brown, or you could get that same palette in Ruby. Next is, I don't know how to say this, y'all. Is that Norse? Is the K silent? I'm probably saying it wrong, but I'm going to say it anyways. Norse Skin Meditation Gel Cream. Next is Nature's Cartel Lipstick in the shade 90s Nostalgia. Then next is the Pure Lease Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. And then next is the Gold Fatten MD Dr. Scrub. And then last but certainly not least is by Flesh, and it is the Ripe Flesh Glisten Drops in Candle. And there's going to be 3 different shades, either in Candle Glow, Whisper, or Aurora. Now, y'all, I'm surprised to see Flesh come into one of these boxes. You know, the first time I seen this brand was on Samantha Ravindall's channel. And, I mean, she just absolutely loves it because it's a very natural brand. So, I'm excited to see this in the boxes. But tell me what y'all think down in the comments. Now, and as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Krista Marie. Krista says, this is the first time I've seen you on video. It's usually a voiceover. You're beautiful. Krista, you just made me blush, girl. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that, honey. I'm so glad you got a chance to swing over here and check out my other videos, and I hope you like them, girl. I love you so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. Guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life. That's what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribing. If you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept it. Yes, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need you to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. I also do other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check them out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.